What's up, guys? We are here in Ningbo. It's a couple of days after the first bouldering World Cup of the season. Now we are going to the AG gym, lead gym and bouldering gym. So I'm making a short session to be really ready for the first lead World Cup of the season. The goal of these couple of days is to keep the intensity high, but to still reset from the bouldering part of the competition and to mentally and physically prepare for the lead part. I'm super excited to be in China, to experience China again after two...
Ti moraš plačati.
Jaz moram plačati.
Ja, ni kartic.
I need to pay. It's the cultural experience of Alipay.
I'm too old to have Alipay.
Skenirala je pa iz Slovengradca. I mean, coffee is a must, that's for sure. And nothing can change that. When I started competing, I was more of a lead climber. Fun fact, I actually said I will never compete in bouldering because I was more of a static climber, and Mina Markovic and Maja Vidmar, now Stremfel, were my role models, and I wanted to climb like them, be like them, have results like them, and I actually said that I will never compete in bouldering. But then as I grew up, my style changed, I changed. I realized that bouldering is fun and I became much more dynamic. So then I had a period that I liked bouldering way more for like 5 years, and I didn't enjoy lead at all, even though I won more in lead than in boulder. But now as I started training for Tokyo and of course Paris, you needed to train both. So now I'm excited really for both. In the past few years, I was competing less because I felt like I needed to step back from competitions, and I also have some other plans in life, in rock climbing. I want to send some projects outdoors, so I step back a little. But every time I prepare for a competition, when this is the focus, I always like really enjoy, because I honestly just love competing. It makes me feel alive, and I just enjoy it a lot. I think I will never stop enjoying competing. It's actually the pressure of the competition itself, is the journey when you have to prepare for one competition and then you have to be ready on that day. On that day you have to show what you trained for, and this is exciting to me. This is like, I don't know, I can't even describe the feeling, but it's just like so good when it's your turn and you have to show what you trained for. It's just the adrenaline, the focus that you have, the pressure. I love it.
No. Oh, yo, man.
Morning. You good?
Morning.
Morning.
Yeah.
Spray wall or steak?
Trying to follow you like this.
How important is good warm-up? She's definitely one that she's not warming up that much. I mean, every time she make a warming up, but usually pretty fast one. Am I right?
I didn't hear anything. Just thumbs up, thumbs up.
Fast warming up of the...
Usually it's like Saraband, warm up, and that's what's like 5 minutes maybe. And then I go straight to the wall. But I'm careful always on the wall. And then I don't overdo it straight away.
Pretty much the longest warming up in her career.
Honestly, it's just for the camera. Warm up done, bouldering done, now it's time for some lead.
Just that you said, I did a mistake.
Look at him.
Red one, huh? The red one looks so freaking good. Double check.
Archie?
Archie!
More farming. So hot. Aren't you hot?
Huh?
Are you hot?
No. That belaying a professional athlete is an easy job. It's a hard job. 10 seconds. No, but we said 5 minutes because she wants.
Oh my god, this is so good.
Hot. Kevin, it's hot.
Ooh, that.
We are in a hurry, but not that hurry.
Phone
See.
is burning.
Get in, losers. We're going shopping.
My obsessions over you keep me guessing. What's your move?
Yeah? Love shopping. So, the problem is how will I get all the stuff that I buy to India. That's
Is that what you like, girl? Is that
wow.
what you like? You can touch.
It's just some things are really bizarre, like pistachio cheese baguette, walnut red bean meat floss toast. No. China.
Is that what you like, girl? Is that what you like? You can touch. I don't mind if you break, you buy.
Okay, hello.
What you like? Is that what you like? Is that dress? It's too tight. Guess if that's what you like. Is that what you like? Is that what you like? Bada bada bing bing, bada bada boom. All eyes on you when you're stepping in the room. Little bit of vintage, little bit of new, little bit of tension, little bit of you. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. You can bring a friend, come and get it to the moment. Fly you to Japan, I'ma take you on a road trip. We don't got a plan, we can push it to the morning. Is that what you like, girl? Is that what you like? You
How much chalk can you get in there?
A lot.
bada bada.
I think it's a fit. Hey. Are they real? I want a puppy. Kuške imajo. Ne pravi. Look at them. Beautiful. Oh my god. I want all. Prosim. Please. Please. Ja. Take mucke, super.
Ma, treba.
Prosim, a lahko ješ nekaj? Did you see Kevin?
I see that. I see that. So what you gonna do?
I want to take all. It's so cute.
Go there, take one. I will put it in my backpack.
Okay, we go. I have to go, because otherwise I'm taking.
Jezus Maria, que cute. Now you wanna say it? No. I think that traffic light's gonna kill someone.
The goal of today, I climb some harder boulders, that I do some hard moves, just trying to hop from one boulder to another, just to get the body tired and to be a bit pumped, try hard, and that I get ready for the next comp in a couple of days. So at home, I mix everything. I mix bouldering and lead, so that in a competition, if you have back-to-back comps, boulder and lead, it doesn't feel weird to switch. But it's all about the mindset. You just need to change in your mind that, okay, bouldering is done, forgotten, and I need to prepare for lead. Wow.
Tada me malo našutal. To, ne? Ti, nič ne znajdem, ne.
I'm just an athlete. I follow what my coach says.
Ha, ha, ha.
So, whatever Roman says I need to do, I'll do.
I told you before. Today is gonna be a bit harder.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Like, usually in between the comps, like, trainings are not like as hard as they are at home. You can't like gain something or whatever. It's just a matter of activate so that everything is how it should be. That's it. Ta lila,
To.
ja,
Ja.
moder, zelen,
Čakaj, moder ta. Ali
ja,
moder ta? Ta je
un
lahko,
moder,
ja.
un moder, zelen, ta lila
Ja.
in rumen na koncu.
He has a good plan. Never complain about his planning, because his planning is top-notch. Always.
How long have you guys worked together?
7 years. Roman would say long years. No?
Way too long. I never thought that we will actually work for that long.
Oh my God. It sounds like I'm the worst person to work with.
No, that's not true. I never said that,
Thank God, I'm not the one.
but you are top 5 for sure.
No!
Yep. Maybe even top 3.
I don't know, I actually don't know how to feel about that. No.
However you want.
I will just go and climb. So now we are back in Shanghai. I'm about to do some fashion shoot with Super L. I think it's gonna be fun, so let's see. Hello.
Hello, Janja. Hello. Nice to meet you.
You too.
It's Stephanie. Yeah, from Super L. And do you like a bike? Because after biking, because after this we will like.
I mean, we can go, yeah. I don't bike at all. I know how to drive it, of course. But I haven't been on a bike since I was a kid. No, I'm lying. I was at Adidas headquarters where they usually drive around with a bike, but otherwise
这辆超好骑的，
I'm not.
虽然慢了点。
No, I sit in a car and I drive. So nice.
This is our center of the Central Park.
Okay.
For the very local people here.
Okay.
In the morning, the uncles, the older men here to talking with the birds.
That's cool.
So it's very freestyle.
So it's like for all generations, young people and older people.
Yeah,
or
yeah. Everyone wants
everyone.
to come. Yeah, everyone. If you want to join,
You can join.
yeah, you can join.
That's nice.
We hope you have a different experience to choose to have this. Super cool. It's like local ritual that they want to bring back among youngsters. They have 8 movements, and every movement is good for something in your body. So one movement is good for kidneys and liver, one is for the heart, one is for the mind to calm down, and it has like a purpose. Everything has a purpose. Maybe I should have new training routine. Right now we are at the Goat 2 gym. We have some show climbing, some meet and greet, some hanging out with fans, which I really, really like. So I'm excited.
Can summarize these 2 albums presented by your parents? 你们一开始想给阿定的。养了一个牌楼，他会用一个什么爸爸还是什么世界的动物？那么干啥行为是吧？哦，他设计的很难啊！
I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below and let me know if you liked it and what you want to see next. Okay, I will do the influencer stuff. Please hit like and I don't even know how to say it. Click like and subscribe to my channel.